To request payments using Zelle payment limits, you need to understand the basics of Zelle and its payment limits. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money directly from your bank account. The payment limits for Zelle vary depending on your bank and the type of account you have. First, you need to check your Zelle payment limits by logging into your bank's mobile app or website. Look for the Zelle section and click on it to see your payment limits. The limits are usually displayed in terms of the maximum amount you can send or receive per transaction, per day, and per month. Once you know your payment limits, you can request payments from others using Zelle. To do this, open your bank's mobile app or website and navigate to the Zelle section. Click on the Request Money option and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you want to request and add a note to explain the purpose of the request. It is essential to note that the recipient must also have Zelle to receive the request. If the recipient does not have Zelle, they will be prompted to enroll when they receive the request. You can also request payments from multiple recipients at once by separating their email addresses or mobile numbers with commas. Best practices for requesting payments using Zelle include being clear and concise in your request. Notes: double-checking the recipient's email address or mobile number, and keeping track of your payment limits to avoid exceeding them. You should also be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle. Although most banks do not charge fees for Zelle transactions. In summary, requesting payments using Zelle payment limits is a straightforward process that requires you to understand your payment limits, navigate the Zelle section of your bank's mobile app or website, and enter the recipient's information and the amount you want to request. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely request payments from others using Zelle.